a local vegan Starbucks barista. So we got the lowdown on some of the important information that you need to know if you do drink coffee. Hi, it's Dr. Yami and welcome to Veggie Fit Kids. It's that time of month again. It's time to visit another fast food eating joint. This month, I'm taking you to Starbucks. I'm sure you've been there before because like everybody's been there. They're everywhere, and that's the advantage of Starbucks because there are a few things that you can enjoy as a plant-based eater that is really convenient, especially at places like airports where it may be difficult to find a good whole foods option. So I'm going to show you what I order at Starbucks. Believe it or not, I don't drink coffee. I know, it's weird, especially living in the Pacific Northwest. But for you coffee drinkers, the advantage of Starbucks is that they offer not one, not two, but 3 different non-dairy options for your coffee creamer. You can get soy, coconut, or almond milk. And you can use those in the frappuccinos as well. Just ask your barista specifically if what you want to order can be made all the way vegan, and they can make it for you. The other advantage of Starbucks is that they usually have cool little snacks like dried fruit and Kind bars and some other that may not be quite as healthy like fried chickpea puffs and fried sweet potatoes, but at least you know that that's available for a quick snack, especially if you're at the airport, between flights and that kind of thing. But let's go to Starbucks and I'll show you what I like to order. Let's go. All right, here we are at Starbucks drive-through. How many of you have sat in the Starbucks drive-through line in the morning? I know you have because I see the lines, and hopefully next time you will order what I'm about to order because it's hot and filling and has whole foods. And I'm going to order oatmeal. Yay! So Starbucks has 2 kinds of oatmeal, the classic oatmeal and the blueberry. And then the other thing I'm going to see if they have is bananas, because sometimes they have bananas and then you can get the bananas and chop them up and put them in your oatmeal as well. But I like the oatmeal because it's hot and it really fills me up and it just tastes really yummy. And it's something you can order anytime. You have a nice filling whole foods, high fiber, and if you get the blueberry one with antioxidants as well. So gotta wait in line and then we'll order. This one? Is it on?
Yeah.
Okay. I think so.
Hi, what can I get started for you?
Hi, how are you today?
Good. How are you?
Good. Do you guys have the blueberry oatmeal today?
1 second. Let me go make sure. Yeah, I do.
Okay. Can I have 1 blueberry oatmeal? And also, do you guys have any bananas?
Bananas. No, we don't right now.
Okay, that's fine. I'll just take the blueberry oatmeal, please.
Okay, it's gonna be $3.73. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So I looked on the Starbucks menu and I saw that somewhere apparently they have a lentils, veggies, and brown rice bowl. If you live at a place that Starbucks has this option, can you let me know where you live? Because definitely not something I've seen any Starbucks I've been to in the Pacific Northwest or my travels. And maybe it's something new. And I know that Starbucks is offering more plant-based options, but I'd love to know if you've tried that and where they offer it.
2,000 years later.
I don't like coffee because I don't like the way it tastes. I don't like bitter things. I've tried so long to like it. I've tried. I've also thought that it would be nice to be a tea drinker because I see tea drinkers as really calm, sophisticated, really cultured people, and that hasn't worked either. Believe me, I've tried every single kind of herbal tea because I don't tolerate caffeine well. I can't do it. I don't like coffee. I don't like tea. So I just drink water. That's what I drink, water. Hi. Oh, I love your hair. Okay, thank you.
Some people don't like when I put it in.
Oh yeah, no, that I prefer it separate.
There's that. Do you want a receipt?
No, thank you. All right, thank you. Okay, so whenever you order oatmeal from Starbucks, you're going to get two separate packages. One is your little cup with your oatmeal in it, and these are actually steel cut oats. You can see nice and thick and hearty, so it'll be warm and ready to go whenever you get it. And then you get your toppings. So here are toppings. So we have some nuts and seeds and dried fruit in this one. Some more nuts. Brown sugar, but I leave the sugar out of mine. This is quite a bit of brown sugar. It's only 50 calories, but it's quite a bit. So it'll sweeten it a lot if you like it that way, but it's too sweet for me, so I leave it out. And then a little package of fresh blueberries. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all of my stuff in here. Look at how pretty that looks. Yum. So pretty, and this is plenty of bulk for your satiety, fiber, antioxidants, and it should last you a few hours. You can get it in the drive-thru, at the airport, visiting a new city. There's always going to be a Starbucks, even in other countries. I'm going to take a bite here. Nice little crunch, blueberries. And if they would have had a banana, even better, because it would have added just the right amount of sweetness for me. But if you want to use your brown sugar, you could even just use half of the packet or use the whole thing. It's not too bad. So I hope that this gives you an idea of what you can get at Starbucks along with your coffee with plant-based creamer. If you like coffee, if you're like me and you don't like coffee, just get water and your oatmeal. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, give me a like, comment below. Where do you want me to visit next? Do you have any good challenges for me? Throw them at me. I'll take them. If you think this video will help somebody else, or if you know a Starbucks addict out there that might need to know about the oatmeal, please share it, and I'll catch you next time. Have a plantastic day. So we got some more information from a local vegan Starbucks barista. So we got the lowdown on some of the important information that you need to know if you do drink coffee. I apologize again, not a coffee drinker, but for those that do, she confirmed that there are 3 types of plant-based milks: the soy, the coconut, and the almond. All the Starbucks syrups are vegan, and so is the mocha. But the white mocha is not. Also, the Starbucks chai has honey, so that is not vegan. And the caramel sauce is also not vegan. But you can get the caramel syrup and still get that caramel flavor without having the dairy in it. Some of her favorites are coconut milk mocha with no whipped cream, almond milk toffee nut latte, and soy London fog, which is Earl Grey tea, vanilla, and soy milk, a cinnamon dolce americano with nutmeg, steamed soy, and iced passion tea lemonade almond milk and vanilla bean frappuccino with no whipped cream, and also the famous Starbucks pink drink, which is Starbucks acai refresher with coconut milk. So there's lots of different choices for those of you who drink coffee or want a non-caffeine sort of drink. Lots of things to choose from Starbucks.
Footage.